let's make this side red. Alright, if you zoom in on them or get up close, you can see that they're blinking and having a good time. I apologize for my crappy video card, but I just really don't care about this computer, so I'm not going to get a better one. Haha. Alright, now that we have those placed, we can place the let's do player spawn points. I didn't want to do it before because I figured I'd put one and then put the barricade on top of them, and that's never a good thing. So you're just going to want to right click, and right now every one of them that you make will be by default for red team because the team index of it is 0 and 0 is red. You're going to want to change the type to all games, and just create a few spawn points for them here. The blue arrow is the direction they'll be facing when they actually spawn in game. So usually you don't want them like facing a wall or nothing. Alrighty, they got a couple spawn points over there, so let's do the same for blue over here. So I'm just going to have to change the team index of 1, or to 1, rather, and then start making my spawn points again for blue base. Alrighty, there we go, we got a couple spawn points, so we should be set. Next, let's create some net game flags. These are all like the oddball and oddball, the flag and CTF, stuff like that. So let's create those real quick here. Just click right in the middle of your flag base, or right click, and then do the same for blue base, except you gotta change your team index for blue to 1, and that's done with CTF. I'm gonna create a few oddball spawns. Ball spawn. That'll be, let's move that down there. The team index of this is 1, which means that will be like if you have a crazy ball game going, where the ball spawn in different locations. That'll be its second ball spawn choice. I'm going to make the center the first spawn choice, which is 0. And let's make red base number 2. Well, 3, I suppose. And then let's do the same for King of the Hill. King of the Hill is a little different, though, because you actually have to draw out the hill pretty much. So I'm just going to have a nice square right there. And I'll make it, I'll put it up here for this base. Team index of 1. Team index of 2. You gotta make sure that you actually make your spawn point for the hill before you change the team index. Otherwise, you'll change the team index to the one you just created. And if you do that, then it'll screw everything up on you, and you'll pretty much have to start over with all your hills. But now all I have left to make is the race points. So racetrack, let's start in the center because that's what everybody does. Alright, and then you get to design your own little racetrack to have people follow. And I'm going to make a figure 8. I figure that'll... Oh, no. Forgot to change the... See, these are all 2. And that won't work out well at all. So I'm going to go through and change them to the numbers that they need to be. So I have 0, 1, 2, 3. Alright, so that'll be 4. And let's throw this one there. That'll be 5. Six. And 7. Alrighty. That looks like fun. Now I need to do weapon placement. So that's under net game equipment.